Am I audible?
Yes.
My screen is visible, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Hello, everyone. This is CA Shubham Agarwal from Tunda, Uttar Pradesh, near to Agra. And today I am presenting a use case for chartered accountant which helps them in day-to-day tasks. First of all, I would like to thanks to the committee member, jury, and the team of AI and ICAI for giving us such a platform where we can demonstrate the live use case which help other chartered accountant. So, as a part of marking its 75 year of excellence, the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India has launched a CAGPT, a specialized tool developed in collaboration with OpenAI. Trained on 75 year of ICAI extensive data, CAGPT is capable of addressing wide range of queries. ICAI has launched a 3-day certification course program also for its members to provide foundation knowledge and the practical skills. Within just 6 weeks of launch of CA-GPT and CA Student GPT, the AI-powered tool have processed over 1 lakh prompts daily, showcasing the growing interest among the professional and the student. ICAI unveils groundbreaking CA-GPT platform featuring annual report of 5,000 listed companies also. Now, we can use the AI in day-to-day tasks for automating our routine tasks. That AI help in automating our routine tasks like data entry, invoice processing, reconciliation, etc. There are certain tools which help in automation of data. Parallelly, we can use AI in data analysis and inside of the large data set, which identify trends and irregularities in moreover, we can use AI in fraud detection and the strategic decision making also. Now I am coming on the use case for where the practically we are using CAGPT in finalizing the internal audit assignment. Just a minute. For understanding this, first we have to understand the problem statement, that what the problem is faced by the normal chartered accountant. A practicing chartered
Yeah,
accountant is
yeah. Vishnu, please share his PPT. Please share his screen. It is not visible to all. Shubham.
just a
आ रहा
minute.
है Showing.
Sir, it's visible.
Okay.
So first, we have to understand the problem statement. A practicing chartered accountant based at Agra started his practice in 2022. From his reference, he got a call for initial meeting at ABC Limited for executing the internal audit assignment of that company. The company was dealing in leather processing and manufacturing. The meeting was scheduled on next day at 11 a.m. Now the CA has to make the presentation for that meeting and have to discuss the area to be covered during that internal audit. The main challenge for that particular chartered accountant was that he was done internal audit for electronic industry, but he does not have any experience of the leather industry. So he called his colleagues and he called his seniors so that he can get some insight, so he can prepare his presentation accordingly. But he does not get any satisfactory answer. So what he chooses, the probable solution, the CA use CA GPT, specifically industry specific GPT, ICI leather industry specific AI analyst. I'm demonstrating it. Mm, just a minute. This is the user interface of the CA GPT list. Initially, ICI has launched 18 different GPT. Now it's extended to 21 different GPTs. According to our problem, we can select the appropriate GPT so that we can get the exact answer. And we have to take care of one thing, that it provides the probable solution only. We cannot 100% rely on this, but we have to apply our human intelligence also. But our query is related to leather industry, so we are moving the industry forum. Just So this is industry forum. Our query is related to, so you can see the ICAI has launches the 5,000 companies data on listed company data and first bifurcated in different industry wise so that we can take the advantage of it. So we are going to ICAI leather industry AI analyst. So we have to write the prompt properly so that we can get the desired result accordingly. First, I will explain him. As a CA, I got a call for initial meeting of execution. To see the beauty of the CA GPT, it provides the solution properly. It is giving step details of understanding of business operation, nature of operation, product range, market range, industry specific compliance, financial and operational control, revenue recognition. It will cover all parts which is relevant for the internal audit, risk management, operational risk, financial risk, foreign exchange risk, if applicable. If our company is dealing with the export, we will tell whether the company is dealing with the export or not. Taxation and statutory compliance, production and quality control, waste management, IT system and data integrity. So I have just written a prompt. It is giving me the detail of each and every part. Inventory, logistic, profitability, performance indicator, conclusion. So there is some we need to do in internal audit some specific industry specific risk. I need to understand whether there are some industry specific risk available or not, and along with the associated control. So I give the prompt accordingly. Okay, now give the leather industry specific risk associated with the control to be implemented. And I explained him that the company is dealing in processing the crushed leather, raw leather, and process them to the produce the final leather. Now see the beauty of it. It will provide the result. First, it will explain us the risk. What are the risks associated with the risk area, and then suggest the controls. What control should be implemented there? Production process risk related to production process, and what should be the standard control should be implemented there. So it gives a detailed investigation so that we can plan our audit accordingly. First, see for each area, it is giving the risk and the controls accordingly. Now we are giving the prompt again. The company deals in export also, so that it will cover the risk area related to export. kindly give the above information in the tabular form, and in addition provide the risk matrix which I
From
can
the
discuss.
last 1 minute remaining.
Okay, sir. So it will provide the detailed risk area and the risk description, risk category, likelihood, and its impact. It will help a chartered accountant to discuss the industry specific risk with their client so that we can seek the professional assignment. Now from this we can create the presentation also with the help of Gamma. So see its beauty. It is giving the risk matrix in a tabular format where each type of risk area and its likelihood is being reflected. Risk area, risk description, risk category, likelihood, impact, and the controls to mitigate the risk.
From the time is over.
Yes, sir. So, with the help of just using the CAGPT, it increase the efficiency and productivity, reduce the cost, enhance the client interaction so that we can get the research and V time. Yes, sir. Any query, sir?
Right. So thank you very much for your presentation. It was very interesting in the fact that at least the audit planning related portion can be properly optimized using CAGPT, and you can just visit the relevant industry and then create a plan accordingly. So, sir, one question which I have to ask you over here is,
Yes.
this was with regards to the planning of the audit. Have you, in your own experience, tried to basically check whether or not you've covered all areas in terms of your report? Let's say you upload the report and ask the CAGPT to
Yes.
see if it's properly made up and it's properly
Yes.
including every area of risk which was identified in the planning stage.
While complying with the SA 315 and 330, I analyze this with the and compare the report. Sometimes it misses some information, and I will again give the prompt so that it contains that particular information accordingly. Because many times it happens that something is missed by the CAGPT, but when we give the prompt accordingly, it will cover the same and give the more beautiful answer.
Right. Thank you, sir. And with that, thank you very much for your presentation.